Hey guys, just give me a second. Welcome sa ating live today. Uh, I'm currently now in my office, so medyo okay na tayo dito ha. Ayan, we're gonna be okay here now. Just give me a second. I'm going to play one of our videos, no? Before we officially start, just give me a second. There you go. Kamusta ka naman today? May nakita ako sa chatroom na liquidate daw. Ano nangyari, ha? Ano nangyari? Mamaya pag-usapan natin yan. Just give me a second. I'm just going to restart the video, okay? Okay, we're good. I'm going to play the video now.
Hi, I'm Sheila and I'm an OFW from Thailand. I can't remember exactly how I discovered Coach Miranda's channel, but I've been a subscriber since June. I didn't really have a trading system before, and since I have a day job, pag sumisilip ako sa charts tapos may mga lumilipad na coins, papasukin ko agad siya with high leverage. Minsan nananalo pero pag natatalo, ubos lahat. So, nag-binge watch ako ng videos ni Coach and then enrolled sa beginner's class. One of the most aha moments for me is yung fib talaga. Ang galing ng pagka-explain ni Coach sa kanya, tapos super powerful and amazing niya for bounce, breakout, breakdown, at saka mga untog na areas. So, after the class, Superman syndrome nga, ang hirap niyang i-control. So, tuloy-tuloy pa din ako. Until one day, I've decided na this has to stop. So, I stopped, took a break, reflect, and continue on watching the live of Coach. So, nag-announce si Coach about the mentoring session, and then I decided to give it another try. Naglagay ako ng certain amount of money and told myself na, okay, this is what I'm willing to lose. So, it's either i-superman ko siya or pag-aralan ko ng mabuti yung system para mapalaki ko siya. Then, nag-start ang mentoring session ko with Sir Luke. First, tinulungan niya ako kung anong trade setups works best for me. And then, inaral ko siya. Throughout the sessions, I kept on asking questions and ginaid niya talaga ako and showed me my blind spots. So, I'm not that confident yet. Kakabawi ko lang sa losses ko, but soon I will be profitable too. What made Coach Miranda stand out and different from others, beside him teaching us technical and fundamental analysis, I can feel how he really cares and wants us to learn. More on his culture of malasakit and ang pag-real talk niya lagi sa atin. So, don't give up and invest on knowledge. Continue watching the videos of Coach and his life at ang number one and most important talaga is discipline. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Coach Miranda Miner, Sir Luke, and to the other mentors. Just keep on learning and I love you 3,000 ka Miranda.
Yon. So let's now go to our next slide. Hello, thank you po. Yan. So ang next slide natin today is going to be about my topic for today, no? Our topic for today is about why do we need to have a, why do we need to be very strict on managing our wallet, no? At ano ba, how can we try to prepare this coming holiday, no? By the way, if you're from the US, advanced happy Thanksgiving po sa inyo. Yung mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Canada, tapos na sila noong October. This time naman, November, no? This November, Thanksgiving there in the United States. Yan, mga kaibigan sila Judex, mga flip to friends natin dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo, mga Brad. Salamat sa pag-support at panonood at pagsuporta, 'di ba? So, advance happy Thanksgiving. Baka meron diyang turkey o kaya meron diyang barbecue sa labas. Enjoy nyo lang. And let's stay grateful, no? So I would like to take this time to say thank you to all of you sa inyong suporta, sa inyong malasakit. In the spirit of Thanksgiving, palagi po tayo maging grateful sa lahat po ng mga biyaya na nakukuha natin araw-araw. We're very, very blessed at I would like to take this opportunity na pasalamatan po kayo na bukal po sa aming puso ang inyong pagsuporta at kanina nga po nag-post po tayo. Tayo po ay already 42,500 subscribers at patuloy po tayong lumalaki. So maraming salamat po. So ang topic natin today is, as we kind of approach the holiday, no? How do we manage our wallet, no? At bakit pa kailangan meron tayong wallet management process? Tinuturo ko to sa beginner class. But without giving too much information, I would like to kind of stress the point. At bakit kailangan panatilihin natin na 1% lang ng ating portfolio or singular digit ng ating portfolio ay nasa very volatile meme coins. So hindi ko sinasabing hindi kayo pumasok sa meme coins. For example, Floki Inu, Floki, Dogelon, Elon, Katecoin. Magaganda yung mga coins na yan, di ba? Pero you guys have heard me many times. Sabi ko sa inyo, 1%, 1%, 1%, 1%. Bakit ko sinasabi yan? So let me give you a couple, bibigyan ko kayo ng couple of scenarios para makita ninyo kung gaano ka-importante bilang isang trader na hindi tayo nag-all in. No? Kasi when we do our top-down approach or bottoms-up approach, you will recognize that in both areas, in both scenarios, meme coins are good coins, no? Pero kulang sila sa legs. They have no legs. Ibig sabihin, kulang sila in terms of fundamentals. Meron silang use case and usability sa mga pragmatics dyan. Mga pragmatic meaning, kasi when you say pragmatism, ito yung mga tao na they subscribe to the philosophy of utility. No? Pragmatism is a work, kung whatever is working, you're pragmatic. When you say you're pragmatic, kung ginagamit mo yung mga bagay na may gamit sa'yo, na it's a working, no? Almost kapatid yan ng isang utilitarian o isang philosophy ng utilitarianism kung saan tumitingin ka sa gamit ng isang bagay. Now, wala kang fundamentals but meron kang gamit, meron kang liquidity pool, meron kang liquidity swap, yun lang yung gamit mo, meron kang sort of what you call a burning mechanism pero talagang wala ka naman talagang binaburn. Kumbaga you're just pinaiikot mo lang yung token mo and you're not reducing the number of coins. So, at the end of the day, meron kang makikita na surplus of coins, no? Depreciation of the sentiment ng market. Nung una, sobrang hype, ngayon bumababa na. No? So, bakit importante na hindi tayo nag-all in? At bakit sinasabi ni Miranda Miner, matagal ko na pong sinasabi ito, na dapat tayo po ay tumitingin lamang, tayo ay naghahanap ng mga coins at we're able to manage our coins in a very factual way. Ibig sabihin, meron kang pinagbabasihan kung bakit kayo nag-i-invest ng 10%, 8%, 2%, 20%, 50% sa isang coin. No? Kasi malamang sa malamang, pag nag-invest ka na napakalaki dyan, for example, 50% of your entire port, I'm sure you will appreciate this topic for today. Kasi yun ang ating magiging discussion. No? So bukod po dito, punta muna tayo sa ating mga, wait lang, may another video pa pala to. I will not play this video for now. Before tayo mag-type ng discussions today, re-remind ko lang po kayo na ito, reminder ulit natin, gusto kong disiplinahin ka, pagalitan ka, sermonan ka, kulitin ka, mangaral sa'yo, dahil gabi-gabi, hindi po tayo makapagod magpaalala na mahal kita dahil gusto ko at alam kong yayaman ka, uunlad ka, matututo ka, at makakasabay ka. So tiyaga lang, no? Huwag mo masamain yung pinapayo sa ni Miranda Miner and I'm sure you'll become profitable as well. Yan. So, let's move on with our topic for today. I-remind ko lang po kayo ang ating university. Ito na po yung bagong rates natin na diniscuss ko po kahapon. Alam mo guys, may mga take advantage na ng package kasi nakamura sila dun. Malaki yung namura nila sa university package. So, if I were you take that already, may mga nanay pala na bumili pa para sa kanilang anak, no? Bilang regalo this Christmas. So, dalawa daw, dalawang magulang, sabi ni Nita, no? And yung mga schedules natin, I will not belabor this right now. Next week, next tomorrow na lang to kasi medyo mahaba-haba yung topic ko today. And I have a guest for today, no? We have a guest for today. He is our NFT manager sa group natin. He's gonna be discussing about staking. Staking ng within the Katana. Malalaman nyo yun maya-maya. Ano ba yung mga important items that we need to understand in staking, no? And so on and so forth. No? But of course, malapit na po ito, November 25, Thursday. Kung ikaw ay gustong matutunan ang blind spots in trading, kasi minsan lagi ko sinasabi, um, you need to zoom out pero hindi ka makapag-zoom out, no? Especially on stressful situations, lumalabas yung pinakaugali mo. Kasi tayo, for example, bilang isang normal na tao or rational, pag tinanong natin, okay, for example, ikaw ay isang leader ng, kunyari, ikaw ay isang nagda-drive, no? When you drive, you observe traffic rules. But if you're very stressed or you're very late, you don't observe traffic rules, you're more prone for error. So when we're trading, pag tayo nasa rational mind natin, fina-follow mo yung rules, no? Pero pero kapag ikaw ay stressful na, sometimes you do those lumalabas yung nature mo. And alam mo yung nature na discuss natin yan through a very good assessment. Meron palang good assessment. Meron pala tayong apat na personality. No, either we are judging or feeling, we are thinking or sensing. Meron pala mga ganyan, 16 personalities pala yan. Pwede ka palang maging visionary, no? And you always zoom out. Pwede ka namang into the details and you're always into the weeds. So malalaman mo yan sa course na yan, on the refresher course. Mag-take ka niyan bilang isang beginner student. Hindi lang tayo magre-refresh dyan ng Fibonacci's. We're gonna be talking about blind spots. Kasi nga baka naman, yung blind spots mo, driven talaga ng personality mo yan. Kasi sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, you don't really look at the bigger picture. Talaga nasa details ka. Kasi for example, QA ka. Kunwari, you are a trainer. Nasa ano ka talaga. Nasa weeds ka talaga ng mga bagay. Mahirapan ka talaga mag-zoom out. So malalaman mo yan. You will know that in our university. No? Okay. So mentoring, ang dami na po nagpalista. Sumama ka na, baka masarahan ka po ng pinto. Napakarami na po nag-enroll dyan. No? So technically, yung buong package namin, 2 weeks in beginner, 2 weeks in intermediate, 5 weeks in mentoring, halos 2 months and 1 week. Halos 1/4 ng buong taon. Ang course po namin is 5K lang. So please email us, okay? Now, let's go on. Laktawan ko na to. Ito na. So how do you now manage your wallets, no? And later on, I'm going to introduce Kuya Nico, no? Discuss ko muna sa inyo to. Then we can go. Actually, you know what? Ibahin natin. Sige. Since andyan na si Kuya Nico. Kuya Nico, are you there? I think dito na siya eh. Let me check. I'm sure he is here already. There you go. Kuya Nico, are you here?
Yes, Coach, I'm here.
Ayan, ayan. Sige, sige, sige. Why don't we go with you na? Isa lang na natin yung discussion about NFTs. Then I will discuss the wallet management maya-maya. Is that
Sige,
okay?
Coach.
Oh, sige, sige. Okay,
Live on
guys.
live na, Coach.
Yeah, you're live already. Why don't we... Of course, guys, kilala nyo naman si Kuya Nico, no? Pero why don't you guys type number 1 if you could hear him correctly? Or ng
Hi,
malinaw.
everyone. Good evening. Type number 1 kung rinig nyo ako at malinaw.
Sige, go ahead na, go ahead na.
Okay, okay. So, kita yung screen ko, Coach?
Actually, no, I'm seeing a black screen.
Okay. So, una pala ay AXS. Kung ano, yung matagal na tong AXS staking, pero gusto ko lang explain sa inyo kung bakit ako nag-i-stake and paano computein tong sa 114% o APR na 114%.
Nico, we're seeing a black screen. We're not seeing your screen yet.
Okay. Ito po. Kita po?
Yan, kita na. Your
Okay.
senior screen na.
So let's go for AXS staking muna tayo. So log in lang tayo. Then so ito. So nakikita nyo sa screen, meron akong 2.1 na naka-stake. Then etong APR is 114%. So para sa mga nagtatanong magkano profitable ba or magkano kinikita ko sa staking na excess. So ang computation niyan ganito
Nico, medyo mahina daw yung audio mo. Wait lang.
Sige.
Sige, can you try one more time?
Hello.
Sige, one more time.
Hello.
Ayan, okay na. Sige, try mo ulit. We're good.
Yan. So sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kung paano i-compute yung APR or APY na 114 or magkano ang kinikita ng 2AXS or kung magkano man ang i-stake nyo, kung paano nyo malalaman kung magkano yung per day nakikitain nyo. So, example, I have 2.1 AXS. So, ano yung 114% ng 2.1? Ito dapat yung kikitain ko ng buong taon, di ba? 114%. So, times ko lang siya sa 1.14. And so
Nico,
estimate
Nico, sorry, I don't want to I don't want to interrupt you, no. So okay na yung audio. Pero before tayo mag-computation dito, bigyan natin ng big picture discussion tong mga nakikinig sa atin, no. So my question is, bakit mo gustong mag-stake? Let's go first with the why. No?
Okay.
Why would we want to stake our AXS? Ano ba yung big picture niyan? Bakit natin gusto yan?
Okay.
Bigyan mo kami ng idea.
Okay. So, ano ba si AXS? Siya si Axie, di ba? So, hindi naman lingid sa kalaman natin na si Axie is the most trending NFT game sa ngayon. So, ako, nag-decide ako na para mag-hold ako, at least this is my way of holding also. So, instead of holding lang and hintayin kung tumaas yung value niya, what I did is I stake it. So, day by day, instead na 2.1 lang siya every day and stagnant, I put it in staking. So, I'm also earning some of AXS every day. Ito yun, no, para at least ako din, hindi ko rin magalaw yung perang hinuhold ko. Kasi minsan sa Binance, sa akin din, personal experience ko, pag may nakita ako at wala na akong pera minsan pag-trade, minsan nagagalaw ko yung holdings ko. So what I did is nilipat ko yung iba kong funds sa Ronin wallet, then nag-stake ako dito sa staking ni Axie Infinity ng AXS. So ngayon, hindi ko talaga siya magalaw. Matagal ko nang ini-stake tong AXS ko dito. This is also a way of holding lang para hindi nyo magalaw yung mga extra funds nyo. Naka-stake siya. So bakit okay ba sa akin si AX na maging okay ba siyang i-hold kung tatanungin niyo ako? Kasi ako, marami akong nakikitang bullish news pa rin kay Axie, pati naniniwala pa rin ako kay Axie Infinity na marami pang development. Kaya rin ng Miranda Corp, meron din siyang Axie Infinity Scholarship. Yon, and we are around 30 scholars na. So, si Axie Infinity is AXS token. Ito yung pinaka-core ni Axie Infinity. So, what I did, I stake it. Yun na yun.
So, kumbaga, you're saying, staking is another form of potential income and it's not trading. Kumbaga, you're putting your money, parang bangko time deposit. Tama?
Yes po.
Okay. So, on a very high level, without going into too much details, ilang percent, kumbaga, give me a percent na nakukuha mo without going to the calculator, ilan ang tansya mo in terms of interest when you stake your money?
So, in 1 year, coach, ano lang siya, 114%. So, everyday parang 0.004.
Teka, so what you're saying is, every year, dodoble pera mo?
Yes.
Okay. So, kung nagtago ka ng, let's say, 100,000 pesos, after 1 year, magiging 200,000 na.
Exactly.
Okay. So, when you're staking, kumbaga, iniiwan mo yung token dyan. Tama?
Yes po.
Sige. So guys, yun yung gusto nating sabihin dito before we go with the details. May mga traders kasi na wala silang panahon mag-trade. Karamihan po sa inyo or sa atin, may mga full-time work kayo. And ang mas maganda kasi is part ito ng topic natin, diversification. Bakit ilang percent lang dapat sa meme coins? Kasi meron kayong other options. In this particular case, inimbitahan ko si Nico, yung manager natin sa mga scholars. Kasi he is a manager, pero while he does that, since umiikot yung buhay namin sa AXS tsaka sa SLP, at meron kami mga tinatabing mga AXS kasi anytime we can breed axis, di ba? Anytime we need AXS to breed, no? So might as well magtago ka na ng AXS. So one of the discussions namin na pag-usapan namin is sabi namin, coach, nagtatago tayo ng AXS, hinahayaan nating lumaki yung presyo, 'di ba? Pero instead of leaving your AXS in your wallet, no? At any point pwedeng bumaba, pwedeng tumaas, might as well you stake it, yung power ng staking. So, explain ko lang guys, on a very, very high level, what do you mean by staking? Okay? So, here's the thing. When you stake, kasi may mga iba't ibang klase ng staking, no? When you say staking kasi, for those for those na naka-blockchain, na galing proof of work, naging proof of stake, yung proof of work kasi, ang nagmimina kasi yung mga miners, no, using the power of the GPUs or the ASIC miners. So it's the processing power of the GPUs na binabayaran para i-block or i-ledger yung mga transaksyon. Sa proof of staking, ito ay power of the money. Ito yung power ng coins. Meron naman tayong proof of space. Ito naman, for you to mine, kailangan meron kang mga terabytes na hard drive, 'di ba? So, ang proof of staking, ang trabaho nito is ginagamit, kumbaga nag-iiwan kayo ng pera, no? Nag-iiwan kayo ng pera sa isang exchange, sa isang DEX o kaya sa isang X or centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, nag-iiwan kayo ng pera diyan, and your intention is kumita ng pera 'yon, no? Parang bangko, meron kang time deposit. Ngayon, if you go to Binance, meron silang mga liquidity pool, money pool, or staking. Iba-ibang klase yan, no? Ngayon, if you do staking, for all intents and purposes, when you say staking, ang staking kasi is yung total pera na binibigay ninyo doon sa isang exchange or DEX. Ginagamit yan ng DEX to participate sa isang as a validator. Ano yung sabihin nun? For example, si Ethereum 2.0, kailangan mo ng almost 36 Ethereum plus a computer node para makapag-participate ka. And if you are a validator of Ethereum, they will award you, no? May mga award yan. And when you get the award, yung award na binibigay sa validator, binabalik niya yan doon sa mga tao na nag-participate sa pagbibigay ng kanilang pera. In fact, sa Binance, kapag nag-participate ka dyan sa Ethereum, they will give you a token called BETH or BETH, no? Okay, move on tayo kay Axie. May mga pools naman, you call it liquidity pools, no? May mga ganyan naman kung saan they don't necessarily have a blockchain, no? But what do they do have is a liquidity pool. Ano ibig sabihin nun? A liquidity pool is an automated market maker or an AMM technology ng isang decentralized market kung saan hindi mo kinakailangan maglagay ng tao or teller para lang makapagpalit ka ng isang coin. Normally on the liquidity pool, ang trabaho niyan, nag-iiwan ka ng coin, yung mga participants, they're leaving their AXS in a pool. Okay, nag-iiwan sila ng pool. Meron silang pool of money, nag-iiwan ka doon, nagko-contribute ka doon sa liquidity pool, and in exchange, kumikita ka from staking your money, you have your rewards. Diba? You have your rewards. Then, where does those reward come from? Okay, question. Nico, question sa'yo. When you
Po,
unstake your AXS, may charge ba?
wala po.
Okay.
So
Question.
far.
Question. Can you swap your coin into another coin?
Sa ngayon, pwede na within Ronin. Ronin
Okay.
network.
When you swap your coin, do you pay charges on Ronin?
Sa ngayon, wala pa.
Okay.
Sa ngayon, free kasi binabayaran siya ng Axie Infinity which is Ron.
Okay, good. So how much is being paid as a RON?
Yung reward po sa Ron,
Hmm.
ito
Average.
po yung sa Ron ko.
Hmm.
So far, I have 8.5 Ron. Then I pulled here around itong 1862 po na to is worth $400, $200 SLP, then $200 Ethereum value.
Mhm.
Then everyday yung reward ko, hindi kita dito yung APR pero everyday reward ko is 0.5.
Mhm.
I'm earning 0.5 RON na potential na sinabi nila na ito yung magiging transaction fee or gas fee ni Axie Infinity in near future.
Okay.
Pero sa ngayon, lahat ng transaction ni Axie Infinity within Ronin network and the marketplace so far is free.
Okay.
Pero in the near
Punta ka
future, it
sa...
will be chargeable.
Sorry, say that again. Nico, sorry, say that again.
In near future po, yung RAPRON will be chargeable. So ito na po yung currency na panggas natin sa mga transaction in marketplace or transferring assets from Ronin wallets.
Correct. Pero punta ka sa swap. Punta ka sa swap na menu.
Saan po? Itong AXS?
Hindi, punta ka
Or
sa... Balik ka dun sa kabila.
okay.
Yan. Tabi ng farm pool, di ba? Click the swap,
Yes.
the word swap.
Add liquidity po.
Sa swap ka, yung katabi niya, pool, swap, farm, analytics. Yan.
Ito po.
Okay. So, itry mo lang yan. Let's try to select a token, kahit anong token. Let's say USDC. Or kahit
Select a
anumang coin
token.
meron available dyan. Let's try to click an amount. Yan.
Yan.
Okay. I don't think it will... If you click the swap, magsaswap ba siya or the dialog box pa? Yan.
Yan,
Okay,
dialog
guys.
po po.
So, listen to this ha. Okay. Ito na. Ito na yung sinasabi natin. Look at the liquidity provider fee. Yan. So, meron ka tinatawag na fee, no? So, meron ka tinatawag na fee. If you participate on swapping, okay, yung fees na yan, iniipon yan ng AMM, okay? Yung iniipon ng AMM yan to give us a reward for those that are adding to the liquidity pool. Naiintindihan, guys? So yes, it's a liquidity pool, iniwan mo yung pera mo, parang basic, parang time deposit. Ngayon, iniiwan mo yan dyan so that other people, you need to provide liquidity. Nagbibigay ka ng pera. Para yung ibang tao, when they swap, meron silang masaswap na coin or token. Ngayon, yung binabayad sa'yo bilang isang liquidity pool provider, nagbigay ka ng pera para magkaroon ng malaking liquidity. I think almost 5 million AXS yata yung naka-stake ngayon, if I'm not mistaken. So, nagbigay ka ng ganyang kalaking AXS. So, two things ang nangyayari. Yung mga nagsaswap, yung bayad dyan na liquidity provider fee, it goes as a reward doon sa mga nagbibigay ng liquidity pool. Okay, number 2. Ang effect nito sa Axie, when you're trying to stake Axie, okay, di ba, I'm telling you guys, kapag ikaw ay nagbe-burn ng coin, tumataas yung value ng coin. When you try to stake your token, it's not necessarily burning your coin or token, pero it reduces the amount of token in circulation. Ibig sabihin nun, if 5 million of my AXS out of 20 million na minted is nakastake lang, tataas yung value ng overall token mo. because yung circulating supply lumiliit because some of them are in the liquidity pool. Naiintindihan nyo guys? So technically bilang isang trader, you are giving liquidity doon sa AMM, doon sa pool. Parang Binance liquidity pool. Kasi magkapatid yan, liquidity swap and liquidity pool. Meron akong video dyan guys ha. May video ako dyan. Okay? O sige, meron pa akong other topic. Ituloy mo Kuya Nico. May other topics pa ako.
Ayun. So, sa computation na lang ako, coach.
Sige.
Ayan. So, ito lang sa pool, mabilisan lang. Sa pool, so add liquidity. So, dapat 2 pair siya, SLP, and actually kailangan mo ng wet, pero wala na akong wet dito sa sa wallet ko. So, pag mag-add ka ng liquidity pool ng dapat same amount 'yan. Magkakaroon ka ng equivalent value dapat. How many SLP dapat yung value niya is pair sa wet. Then sa farm, ito yung pairs na pwede mong magkaroon ng liquidity. AXS or wet or SLP and wet. So nag-SLP and wet ako. Yan. So may 8.58 RON na ako. So ito na lang yung sa one last lang kung paano magko-compute ng APR ng by day. So in 1 year, pwede akong kumita ng 2.3. So yung nasan ba yun? Wait. Nandun sa isang account. Yan. Nandito. Yung 2.1 ko, magkakaroon ako ng additional 2.3 end of the year. So, paano mo i-compute yun? Yung daily mo nakukuha. So, ito yun. 2.1 times 1.14. So, equals 2.3.94. So, divide ko lang siya sa 365. Ito yung nakukuha ko everyday. 0.0065. Meron na akong 0.0133. So, 2 days na kasi ako hindi nagre-restake. Kagandahan dito sa Axie Infinity staking, pwede mo siyang i-restake everyday. Kasi may 24 hours cooldown lang. Gawin natin yung restaking. Ayan, 24 hours lang yung lockdown niya. So, every 24 hours, yung kinita mo that day, pwede mo siyang i-restake. So, nataas ulit yung percentage mo ng ng AXS mo. Tapos, kita nyo itong negative RON, ito yung fee niya sa ngayon, free pa. Pero near future nga, sinasabi nila na pwedeng maging chargeable na yan ng by RON tokens. That's why nag-i-stake na yung iba ng RON tokens para maging transaction fee ng Axie Infinity.
Okay.
Natin. Yun. So, any by minute lang, magkakaroon na yan ng ma-charge na ulit dito yung reward ko.
Okay.
Yun na yun, coach.
Okay, sagutin ko lang tong question dito. What is the risk of staking? Okay. So, magandang tanong yan, no? Risk of staking is you lose your money because if you will need to withdraw it, sayang ka lang sa charge, hindi mo pinagplanuhan yung staking, nagpatalo ka lang. No, within the day, withdraw mo din, talo ka din. 'Di ba? So, another risk in cryptocurrency ng staking is may tinatawag tayong slashing. No? Slashing, the slashing is basically, ito yung terminology na tinatawag nating mekanismo para i-penalize or i-incentivize yung mga stake validator because of their misbehavior, no? For example, for example, merong isang group na nagmo-move ng Bitcoin from one node to another node without authorization, no? Tapos yung mga ibang slashing na inuutos nila, yung pag minove mo to, wala kang penalty, yung iba may penalty. Slashing 'yon. Ngayon, pag pasaway yung validator, they will get penalized. If they get penalized, hindi sila sumusunod sa rules of validating. If they get penalized, lahat ng hawak nilang coins na nakastake under their name will be removed. Mawawalan ng value. Kaya sinasabi dyan, as far as I remember, whenever you stake your money in Binance, I think section number 5, when you click on staking terms and conditions, sinasabi ni Binance dyan, hoy, staker, merong risk that we cannot control in staking. So far, wala pang naman nangyayaring slashing within Ethereum. But it's possible. Diba? Possible mawala yan. Sabi nga ni CZ, loko-loko lang yung magsasabi na walang risk ang trading at staking. Hindi po totoo yan, ha? Maraming risk yan. Hindi mo na nararamdaman kasi napakarami yung nagbabibigay ng staking money. Ngayon, ano po ang difference ng liquidity pool and staking? Halos parehas yan ng intention. Hino-hold mo yung pera mo. Meron ka nakukuhang kapalit. You're adding, ng difference lang yan, si liquidity pool, ginagamit nila para magkaroon ng liquidity. From the word itself, liquidity, pinaparami niya yung available tokens within the pool. It makes the pool stronger kasi maraming tao nag-iiwan ng pera. At they can even go to the direction of lending. Mapahiram nila yung pera mo. Pag pinaram nila yung pera mo, then they can earn interest from them lending you money. Pero hindi nila pera yun. Pinahiram mo yun sa kanila. And because, the same thing for the banks, di ba? Yung banko pwede magpa-loan. Eh, hindi naman nila pera yun. Pera ng depositors yun. And in return, you pay interest. And those interests go back to the depositor na nagbigay ng pera na yun. Parang banko din siya. Ang difference lang yan, when you are staking, you have a blockchain. No? You're looking for proof of stake. You are supporting a validator, no? Parang Solana, no? Although Solana is proof of history, they also do staking, no? Now, in liquidity pool, ang trabaho ng liquidity pool is basically kahit wala kang blockchain, in this case, Axie, walang blockchain yan. Pero they become sort of a decentralized finance or DeFi in this case. Bakit? Kasi nga they're now becoming sort of a decentralized bank. Kasi trabaho ng bangko, kumuha ng pera sa depositor, magpautang, magpa-swap ng foreign exchange. Kumikita sila doon. No? And in return, yung money na kinikita nila sa inyo, binibigay nila as an interest pangako doon sa mga nag-deposit ng pera. Ganyan din ang liquidity pool. No? Now, here's the problem. Here's the problem. And I will connect this to our topic. No? Okay. There is what you call a word impermanent loss. Diniscuss ko to doon sa ating sa ating video about staking, no. When you say impermanent loss, there is a fancy calculator or there is a fancy formula behind it, pero I will simplify it for you. Okay. An impermanent loss is a technical term na nangangahulugan. Available ito sa lahat ng mga liquidity providers. Kasi when you deposit your money to the liquidity pool, pwedeng magbago yung presyo. For example, the price of Axie today is $128. When you deposit that into the pool, tomorrow the price becomes $135. It doesn't mean that your money earned $7 or whatever the delta is. Okay? It doesn't mean. There is what you call an impermanent loss. Ibig sabihin nun, it's a special kind of loss kung saan kapag ikaw ay nag-deposit ng $128 and the price of Axie or AXS becomes $135, hindi mo kinita yung pag-angat ng price na yun. You call it as an impermanent loss. Okay. Now, So, ang mangyayari dyan, you could only, ang nangyayari, nagkakaroon ng quote-unquote impermanent loss. Kasi pag nilabas mo yan sa pool, you would have earned $8. But since pinul mo na siya, then you have an impermanent loss of $7. How do you recover that back? How do you recover that? Because of volatility. Then aantayin mo siya. Pag bumagsak ng 125 ulit, and then you withdraw your money, right? Kasi at the end of the day, when you withdraw your money, wala ka pang loss, right? $125 per axi. At tapos, on the time of withdrawal, you withdraw it at 138. You did not earn the difference, guys, ha? That's what you call impermanent loss. Okay? Ibig sabihin, i-withdraw mo yung axi mo based on the old price. Naiintindihan? Guys, naiintindihan nyo? Type number 1 kung naiintindihan po. Sige, we'll wait for the number 1. Sige, I will wait for number 1. Okay. So now, okay, thank you, Sherlyn. Okay, now let's move on. So, the liquidity providers, they make an earning in the perfect scenario kung saan ang presyo ng isang coin is very peaceful. Hindi nagloloko, sumasabog. Remember, dalawa yan. Dalawa yan. Pwede kayong mag-stake either two volatile coins. Ang reminder lagi sa inyo ng Binance, hoy, before ka mag-stake ng Dogecoin and BNB, dalawang volatile coin yan, alalahanin mo, may tinatawag na permanent loss. Pag pumalo ang Dogecoin ng 50% increase, hindi mo kikitain yung 50% na yon, no? Because of volatility. Huwag mong asahan tataas yung presyo ng pera mo. Hindi. Ang kikitain mo sa liquidity pool, yung pinangako sa yung APY or annual performance yield. Yun ang kikitain. Yun ang kikitain mo. Hindi mo kikitain na tumaas yung presyo ng coin. That's what you call impermanent loss. Now, it only becomes an impermanent loss, okay, if you withdraw your AXS. Okay. Now, if you decide to withdraw your money, then your loss becomes permanent. Parang ka nagsa-spot trading. When you say spot trading, paper loss. Oh, paper loss lang yan. Di pa yan natatalo. It becomes a true loss or a realized loss kung ikaw ay nag-withdraw na on a lower price. Okay. Now, paduduguin ko lang ng konti yung ilong nyo. Pasensya na kayo. Okay. Ito na. This is where it becomes more interesting. Okay. Minsan kasi, tuloy-tuloy ang pagtaas ng coin na in-stake mo. In this case, let's say AXI. No? So may mga arbitrage traders, okay, in Bing Bon, makakita ka ng ganyan. Okay? If you open your Bing Bon, meron silang tinatawag na arbitrage bot. No? Hindi kita lilituhin muna ha. There is a bot na meron silang inintroduce ngayon and it allows you to do arbitrage trading. Okay. In definition, let's say for example, in this case, I'll give you a different scenario. For example, you have Ethereum. Let's say si Ethereum, ang original price niya is $200, okay, and the price went up to $300. Okay. When the price went up to $300, hindi mo kinita yung $100 delta ha. Okay? Hindi mo kinita yon. Here's the thing. If the rate is $200 and for example, the rate is $200 and the old rate let's say is $100, no? Ako pwede kong gawing i-replace yung AXS ko until the ratio reflects the old rate. Pwede kong palitan yon, no? Medyo nakakabaliw yung formula niyan. Kaya yung ibang traders they do yung ibang platforms, they do arbitrage trading. Sabihin, kapag tumaas yung presyo ng isang coin, okay? Ite-trade niya yun. Okay? Sorry, kapag tumaas at naiwan ka, when that price goes back to the original price that you entered, baliktarin ko rather. If you entered $100, bumaba ng 50, Once the price goes back to 100, then the arbitrage bot will kick in. It will execute the order. Net, wala kang talo. Kailangan mo i-program yun, ha? Okay? Now, para medyo maunawaan mo ng konti, ang ibig ko lang sabihin dito, may mga pool, meron silang arbitrage bot, may mga arbitrage traders na marurunong, kapag ang kanilang initial investment merong impermanent loss, mako-compute nila yan. Paano? Tatandaan mo lang, the day na nag-invest ka, let's say $100 yung AXI. The day na magwi-withdraw ka, $125 na, talo ka na. Antayin mong bumalik sa $100 ulit yan. No? Kung ayaw mong antayin, mag-bot ka ngayon. No? So, ganun yun. Merong impermanent loss. Kumbaga, pera mo yan, in-stake mo, hindi siya makikinabang doon sa pag-increase ng price ng token. Kasi in-stake mo eh. Hindi mo naman tinrade eh. Pero in return, because you staked it in 1 year, ang problema doon, in the 1 year na dumaan, hindi nag-increase yung price ng token mo. Na binayaran ka lang nila ng APY percentage. No? That's why they're saying, hoy, trader, staker, nag-iwan ka ng pera, kapag 1 year from now, yung AXI mo, naging $200 yung pera, wag mong asahan $200 ibigay namin sa'yo. No. I will give you the same AXI on the price where it used to be. That's what you call impermanent loss, ha? Naiintindihan, guys? Naiintindihan? Yun lang yun. Impermanent loss is temporary. No? Temporary yan. So yun ang problema mo. Basically, you earn on APY but you don't earn on the appreciation of the coin. Okay? Pag hindi mo in-stake yung coin mo, wala kang permanent loss. Paper loss tawag dun. Okay? So, naintindihan na nag-type na number 1 yung iba. So, yun ang tatandaan ninyo ha, when you're staking ha, you rely on the awards or the rewards of the liquidity pool. Pero ito pa yung mga pangpa-invento ni Binance. Para hindi mo withdrawin, bibigyan ka nila ng BET token. Oh. Bibigyan ka nila ng ano-anong token. Remember guys, kung ikaw ay nasa pool, remember this, no? When you are in a pool, kunyari sa Binance pool ka, makikita mo maya-maya may dumarating na mga small coins sa wallet mo. Yung mga small coins yan. Diba? Pag may small coins dyan, okay, ibig sabihin nun, you're earning those tokens as a reward. Ha? Paano man ma-mitigate yung slashing of validators? You have no way to mitigate that. Kailangan you trust. Kasi you don't know the validators eh. Okay. Sige, Kuya Nico, again, maganda yung topic natin, no? Although it's not our main topic. Gusto ko lang ipaliwanag to kasi nga at some point, yung iba sa inyo, stake lang ng stake, di alam yung ginagawa. No? Ayan, sabi ni Jillian, BNB nagbibigay rin ng ibang coins from launch pool. Exactly.
Mga airdrops, no?
Oo, namimigay sila niyan. Yan, sabi ni Alfred, bet and p.token. Totoo yan, guys.
Yun.
Okay.
Coach.
All
Ayun
right.
lang. Last lang. Pati in-stake namin yung AXS kasi utility token to. By any means, kung bumaba o tumaas yung value niyan, pwede namin magamit sa Axie Infinity. So, para sa akin, win-win situation yun. At least nandyan lang siya. Yun. Tapos yun, na-credit na yung ano ko kanina, yung reward ko kanina. So, naging compound staking na ako. So, 2.12 na siya. Yun. Everyday, ganun lang. Routine.
Okay. Very good.
Lang, coach.
Alright. Well done, Nico. Thank you. Paalam ko na sa ating mga listeners. Guys, si Nico is out. Guys, type number 1 to say thank you to Kuya Nico. He is one of our managers in our scholarship team. Ilan na ba scholars natin, Nico?
30 na sa Miranda Corp.
Halos.
Baka gusto mong baka may gusto pa diyang dumagdag, no, coach?
Ay, nako. Sana.
Thank you.
Sana. Thank you, Kuya Nico. Salamat.
Thank you, guys. Coach, may tanong si Ate Sweet, oh.
Ano yung tanong niya?
Ano daw? Same rules apply po ba pag ng depreciation? Ng
Yes.
depreciate.
Same.
Yan.
Same
Bye
impermanent
everyone.
loss.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you. Thank you. Kuya Nico. Ayan. Okay. So yun ang topic natin, no. But here's the thing, guys. Another topic natin is I would like to discuss with you ito naman, no, another wallet na kasi wallet management natin, sabi ko nung nakakaraan here, no. Yan. So we have system kung saan we have a system kung saan sinasabi natin, hoy, mag-staking ka, mag-liquidity pool ka, pwede mong i-stake yung AXI, yes. Pwede kang mag-futures, yes. Pwede mong gawin yan. Pwede kang mag-futures ng AAV. It's up to you guys. Pero nakikita mo dito, I keep on saying, bakit 2% lang ang SHIB? Bakit 2% lang yan? Bakit 1%? Bakit dapat singular digit ang price? No? Bakit singular digit yan? No? Okay, sa mga nagtatanong, if you're going to stake before the bear market, pwede yan guys, no? But at the end of the day, normally you stake with 2 coins, di ba? Meron ka partner coin, may ka-pair yan, di ba? Kung USDT, mas maganda. Ang naka-pair, at least hindi volatile. Pero pag dalawang coin yan, for example, gawin mong BNB and Dogecoin. Naku, pag nagsabong yung dalawa nun, kunyari isa parehas pababa, naku, doble talo ka. Parehas pataas. Again, at the end of the day, yung liquidity pool mo, na nilalagyan mo ng pera mo, if I were you, wag mong i-stake yung mga sobrang volatile, yung mga humahataw ng 10% volatility. Tapos guys, meron silang fees dyan. Hindi pa natin sinasama yung fees nila. Okay, yung computation. Merong very, very fancy way to compute your impermanent loss. Sinimplify ko lang sa inyo, pero merong formula yan. No, I will tweet that maya-maya. May formula yan, guys. Napakahirap na formula. Simplify ko lang sa inyo. No? So anyways, as I was saying, when we're staking, it's an option, no? Pero bakit singular digit? Bakit 2% lang? So explain ko sa inyo na mabuti. If you go on this particular slide, next slide natin, okay, anong napansin mo? Okay, guys, anong napansin mo? Type number, okay, I'm showing something on my screen right now. Ano napansin mo, guys? Sa coin na SHIBA INU. What did you notice? Diba? So, if the price will go higher, maganda. But if the price, okay, the total market capitalization and the price will go lower, diba? The problem is, diba? You would have been wiped out a total of almost 50% of the price of your port. Diba? So if you are not doing a 1 or 2% wallet share, no, of the meme coins, my problem is you would have been wiped out already. That's the same thing for NFT art. Guys, the price of NFT art went down to almost 1,000%. 1,000%, guys. Okay? Please, Safe Moon. Magkano presyo niya ngayon? Ilang zero na ang meron ng Safe Moon. Diba? And again, I'm not saying that these coins are not good. What I'm trying to say is, ladies and gentlemen, you need to have a very, 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 very disciplined approach on managing your coins in your wallet. Kasi pag binaliktad mo yan, ginawa mong 50% yung short term, yung short term mo na meme coin, if anything happens to the coin, your entire wallet is wiped out. Diba? Your entire wallet is wiped out. That is the same thing. Okay, sasabihan na kita ha. Sasabihan na kita ngayon. That is the same thing with CRO. Okay? That's the same thing with CRO, Crow, Crypto.com. Ano nangyari kay Crypto.com? At this point, is currently ranked number 13 with 18 billion market cap. Kamukat-mukat mo nasa ilalim yan before. Diba? So bakit po nasa top 13 yan? Dahil dun sa Staples Center. Oh. Right? Anong meron to? Wala tong paa. This is social sentiment and volume. No? Social sentiment and volume. So if you click this, look at crypto.com, click natin yan. Again, be very, very careful on riding these types of coins, ha? Okay. Take a look at the market capitalization. Let's look at 1 month. Nakita mo yan? In a span of 1 month, the market capitalization grew 500%. No? It grew 500 times its current size, no? 4 billion to 20 billion. From a price perspective, almost, from a price perspective, an average of 0.2, pumapalo na ng halos 0.8, extended move. Almost the same thing, no? Almost 400 to 500%, 5x. Very good. Hindi ko problema yan, ha? Tingnan mo yung volume humahataw, ang laki, oh. Yung volume niya humataw lang ng first week of November. Okay? First week ng November. And mind you, hindi pa siya tinitrade sa Binance. It's only on Coinbase, Huobi, Qcoin, FTX. Diyan pa lang siya, guys. Hindi pa siya Binance, ha? Kaya you could not see CRO on Binance. Diba? So again, mag-iingat because some of these coins can be driven by sentiments. They can be driven by sentimental market, and the market can lift it so high, but when the energy of the market goes down, naiwang ka sa taas, ipit ka. So why am I saying this, no? Because for me, ladies and gentlemen, when you are trying to manage your wallets, wag kayo mag-all-time buy sa mga coins na lumilipad. Right? Always make sure you manage your appetite. 1%, 2%. 1%, 2%. Okay? Pag natalo ka man, hindi ka iiyak. Sabi nga ni Andrew E., maghanap ka ng pangit at hindi ka iiyak. I'm not saying you look for an ugly coin. What I'm trying to say is, maghanap ka ng pangit na wallet share na hindi mo iiyakan pag biglang bumaba. Because the fact that the coin significantly went higher, okay? The coin significantly went higher. Imaginein mo, ito, balik tayo doon. Let's go back to SHIB INU. Okay, Shiba Inu grew almost, natin. Let's look at the overview of this coin. Let's look at 1 year. Yan. Look at this, guys. Take a look at this, no? So, the price went all the way high to almost 0.00080, and right now, it already slashed almost half of the price. Diba? So from a performance perspective, kapag nag-invest ka ng 50% ng wallet mo at naabutan ka sa 0.7, Trust me when I say this, your entire wallet is already 25% down. 25% down. Di ba? So if it's 25% down, you would have already lost 25% of your capital. If you have 100,000 pesos, you already lost 25,000 pesos. Guys, hindi ka naman sumali sa crypto trading para magpatalo, di ba? Di ba? Hindi ka naman nagpatalo, hindi ka naman pumasok sa crypto trading para magpatalo. So, you need to have a very disciplined approach in trading. Hindi pwedeng more than 1 to 2% ang position size mo dyan sa mga ganyan nagliliparang coin. Para bumaba man yan, hindi ka iiyak. Focus ka lang sa buhay mo. Hindi tulad ng iba dyan, naghahanap ng mga lumilipad na coin. Type number 1, kung ganito ka ha, naghahanap ng lumilipad na coin. Uy, lumipad si CRO. Uy, lumipad si kung ano-ano man. Okay, lumipad. For example, nag-invest ng 50% ng buong kapital. Boom! Bumagsak, natalo. Ano mangyayari? Coach, tataas pa ba to? Coach, anong tingin mo? Talo na ako dyan eh. Ipit na ako. Anong gagawin ko dyan? Talo na ako. What do you think I need to do? You will never ask me that question if in the first place, you invested only 1 to 2% of that money. Naiintindihan? Guys? Naiintindihan nyo? Sometimes kaka-FOMO mo, mas malaki na ang talo mo kaysa sa panalo mo. Kaka-FOMO mo, imagine mo sa buong buwan, mas malaki pa yung talo mo kaysa sa panalo mo. So be very careful. Again, I'm not saying you don't enter, ha? I'm not saying you don't enter. In fact, I even promoted SHIBA INU in my video. But what I'm trying to say, araw-araw kung pinakikita tong slide na to, guys, please manage your wallet. Hindi naman pwedeng puro BTC lang. Talo ka din naman dun. Diba? Hindi pwedeng puro BTC lang. Hindi pwedeng puro altcoin lang. Hindi pwedeng puro NFTs lang. Hindi pwedeng puro DeFi lang. Diba? Dapat, ikaw, meron ka ding level of understanding sino ba yung mga coins na pwede mong lagyan. Diba? Sino yung mga coins? Paano ba yan? Di ba? Paano ba yan, coach? Di punta ka sa crypto market cap, buksan mo lang yan. Di ba? Punta ka sa 24 hours, i-click mo. When you click 24 hours, lalabas lahat ng coins dito, no, na bullish within 24 hours. Yun lang gagawin mo dyan. Ganun kadali. Click mo na 24 hours, click mo 7 days. Mag-auto-filter yan, ascending, descending order. Gala, Voyager token, Crypto.com, yan yung mga sumisipa. Yan, ganyan lang kadali. Kahit di mo na ako tanungin, paano ba yung gagawin namin, coach? How do we now look for the best coin? Ito lang, tumingin ka dyan, trending, biggest gainers. Punta ka sa NFTs. Click mo NFT, click mo yung 24 hours. Ayan, Sino token, Chain Guardians, pero wag kang magpapaano dyan kasi meron akong market cap requirements, ha? Meron akong market cap, tinuturo ko yan sa Beginners University. Merong market cap requirements akong hinahanap before ka mag-invest sa isang coin. Okay? Ganun sa kadali. DeFi, sino pinakamaganda dyan? 24 hours. Diba? So, dyan mo siya makikita. Kunyari, mag-go one day reversal ka, one day ODR strategy. Hahanapin mo yung pinakapangit na coin. Pinakapangit na performance pero maganda yung fundamentals. Click mo lang 24 hours. Yung pinakapangit. Axie, negative 7.08. Bullish ka naman dyan. ODR strategy. May position ka dyan. Ganun lang kadali yun. ODR strategy, one-day reversal, art of bottom picking. Kunin mo yung pinaka-heavily beated stock or heavily beated coin na bullish ka naman. Ha? Bullish ka dyan, tapos ang pangit ng performance niya, ano mangyari dyan bukas? Ano mangyayari dyan bukas, guys? Tandaan nyo yan, ha? One ODR strategy, sulat nyo. You're going to look for a coin that is heavily beaten. Bugbog na. Ginagawa ko din yan para alam mo na. Okay? Bugbog na dahil bukas magre-reverse yan. O, tingnan mo, Axie Infinity. Kunyari, ito, I will look for a technique for you. Tuturo ko ng libre sa ito, ha? Tuturo ko ng libre. Wala nang bayad. O, kunin mo, punta ka ng cryptocurrency, coin market cap, type mo yung cryptocurrency, i-click mo itong 24 hours, hanapin mo yung 10 na pinaka-pangit ang performance. Hanapin mo. Okay. So, pag nahanap mo, kuha ka ng isang coin, Axie Infinity. Okay. I-type mo siya ngayon dito, Axie. Maghanap ka ng left ng right hand. Kung may right hand, doon mo siya i-trade. Pag may right hand, doon mo siya i-trade. Diba? So kung one day reversal ang hinahanap natin, punta tayo sa 4 hours or 1 hour. Doon tayo makakita ng left hand. Kung bugbog ha, kasi bumagsak ng 7%. O ang tanong, did it really go down 7%? Meron bang left hand? No? Meron bang left hand? Hanapin natin kung may left hand. Oh, ito November 22. By the way, naka-CCI kasi nagsascalping ako kanina, no? Meron ako tuturo sa inyo soon. Tuturo ko na lang sa university. Napakaganda na na-discover kong strategy, guys. Ano to? Fees 2.0. 3/3 yung panalo ko kanina sa scalping. Nagsiscalp ako ng BTC kanina eh. Tanong nyo sa mga moderators. 3/3, ang grabe. Ay, tuturo ko yan very soon. Ang galing. Nilagyan ko ng konti pang confirmation yung hull matching effective system natin. Ako, bibilib ka. Ay, nako, sinasabi ko sa'yo. 3/3 kanina, before kami nag-meeting, nagsiscalp ako kanina. Hull matching pa din, pero may dinagdag akong indicator. Bibilib ka dun. No? Anyways, so yan. So, tingnan mo. Heavily beaten coin. Bumagsak 7% within the day from 142 to 126. O kaya ito yung nangyari, no? So from this particular price range from 141 bumagsak ng 131, 7%, 7.54% yung binagsak niya. Bumagsak. So ano gagawin natin dito? Pag ganyan ang performance ng coin, hahanap ka ng fib, no? From swing high to swing low. Kunin mo ngayon yung 618 dyan. Yan ang kukunin mong entry. Ayun ang signal mo sa sarili mo bukas. Step 1. Sulat mo yan ha. Step 1. Look for a heavily beaten coin in coin market cap. Step 2. Do a 1-hour TF. Step 3, find the delta or variance. In this case, 7% yan. Step 4, fib. And find the right entry. Bakit? Galing sa ilalim yan. Bakit galing sa ilalim? Kasi nga bumagsak. Bumagsak nga yung price ng coin. So ano mangyayari? Dapat kukunin mo yan pataas. Ha? Pag nakita ka na bumagsak ng ganyang 7%, malamang galing sa ilalim yan. Patusok yan pataas. So hanapin mo dyan, breakout, trend resistance breakout. Naintindihan? Trend line resistance breakout, take profit sa 618. Nahuli ka na. Ha? Nahuli ka na dito kung di mo nakuha yan. Tingin ka dito, Nahuli ka na. Kung hindi mo nakuha, nahuli ka na dyan. Nag-trend breakout na umakyat ng umakyat. Kasi heavily beaten nga eh. Pinakapangit na performance. Yun ang gagawin mo. Look for a heavily beaten coin. Do a 1-hour time frame. Find the delta invariance, fib, and find the right entry. Or, step number 3.1, find the breakout point. Wait, get the CCC, and enter. Step number 4, sell at 0.618. Di ba? Maghanap ka ng bugbog na coin kung gusto mo mag-ODR. Ito yung tawag nating ODR strategy of CMM. ODR strategy of, di ko tinuturo to ngayon, kung tinuro to sa buong YouTube natin. No? Ayoko namang ilabas lahat ng strategy natin ng isang bagsakan lang. No? So, nasa arsenal ko yan. Hanap ka lang. So, dito, hanap ka ng pinakapangit na coin within 1 hour. Ang pinakamagandang maghanap, alas 8 ng umaga. Doon ka maghanap. Kasi doon nag-open ng market. No? Guys, naiintindihan guys? Alas 8 ng umaga, mag-open ka ng CMC. Look for the heavily beaten coin or heavily beaten stock. Kunin mo yung stock na yan. I-chart mo 1 hour time frame. Look for trend resistance breakout. Pasok, confirmation candle, MACD confirmation, labas on 618. O, i-demo natin ha. Okay. So, ito. So, when you entered here, pababa. O. Diba? Pababa. Or, pwede mong baliktarin. Kunwari, nakapasok ka, pwede mong baliktarin yung ano. Baliktarin yung chart. Pwede mo siyang baliktarin. Sorry. Diba? Pwede mo siyang baliktarin. Kunwari, dito pa lang yung coin. Pababa pa lang. O, bumagsak ng almost 7%. Di kunin mo yung trend resistance breakout. Confirmation candle. Ito yung magiging confirmation candle mo dyan. Medyo late na nga lang. Andito pa. Medyo malayo na. Pero okay lang. At least safe ka. Diba? Ganun lang guys. Ganun lang ang gagawin mo. Dapat you have a strategy. I will do this, more of this tomorrow. Tuturo ko yan. Ulit-ulitin natin yan. Pero yung scalping ko, tuturo ko na lang sa university yun. Hindi ako na ilabas yun. Na-discover ko kanina. Ang galing. Nagulat ako. Ang galing, guys. Anyways, so naiintindihan ba, guys, yung ating show for today? Dapat talaga, hindi ka nagpapasilaw. No? Dapat hindi sobrang laki yung nilalabas mo agad na, oh my God, SHIBA INU, 50% ng buong pera mo ay naku, pipiting ito sa ilong. Ha? Pitik ka sa akin sa ilong, sinasabi ko sa iyo, ha? Hindi pwedeng ganun. Ha? Hindi pwedeng ganun, guys. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Dapat meron kang wallet management. Ito, tinuturo ko sa university. Pero ito, madali namang intindihin to eh. Diba? This is easy to understand. Ano ka, masyado kang wag kang masyadong magpapa-hype. Dapat meron kang percentage of your capital na doon mo lang ilalagay. Wag kang kunwari ako, meron akong million sa account ko, for example. Ilan ang 2% doon? Di 20 mil. Diba? 20 mil. Huwag mo lalahatin. Diba? Ayun, gawin niyo yan ha. Itong tinuro ko ngayon, yung ODR, one-day reversal. One-day reversal. Kasi malamang sa malamang, magre-reverse ang aksi. Hindi pa payag na mamatalo ng 7% yan. Lalo na kung naka 25% negative yan, maghahanap yan ng katulong bukas. Magre-rest back yung mga ganyan. No? Yes, ituturo ko yan sa university, yung strategy na yan. Alam na ng mga moderators yan. Anyways, yun again, idagdag ko lang to, no? A couple of things na nangyayari sa decentralized world natin. Bakit very very careful ang mga traders ngayon? Kasi naghahanap na ng magiging bagong Fed chair itong si Joe Biden, eh, no? Dalawa kasi yung very formidable candidate, no? Yung existing, yung incumbent na Fed chair si Powell. Tapos yung isa pa si Fed Governor uh, uh, Lael Brainard, no? Almost pareha sila ng policy, pero kung tatanungin niyo ako, wala silang difference, no? Pero kung tatanungin niyo ako, marami nang galit, marami na naiinis kay Jerome Powell. Sabi nila, existing Fed chairman ngayon, parang walang alam sa cryptocurrency. Yan ang mga naririnig natin, no? No? Oh, napili pala ni Ronel. Sabi ni Ronel, napili ni Ronel. Very good. Thanks for letting me know. No? Maraming naiinis kay Jerome Powell. Parang wala raw alam sa SEC. Diba? Parang walang alam sa crypto. Tingnan natin ano magiging resulta. Pero kahit stock market, bagsak eh. No? Kahit bagsak din. So, another news yan. And of course, ayan, so, another news, El Salvador, alam mo, gumagawa sila, napakagaling ng bansang to, no? Pero syempre, parang isang bansa, hindi naman lahat mag-agree sa presidente kasi political move to. May mga nanira ng mga ATM machine, mga Bitcoin machine. Ha? Pero yun nga, El Salvador is creating a Bitcoin city. Napakagandang news nito, no? $1 billion bond offering to buy more crypto. Huwag mong hayaan, bili ng mga Latino ang cryptocurrency. Magtago ka na habang mura pa. Papasalamatan mo ko a year from now. Salamatan mo ko. They're creating a Bitcoin city, a full-fledged metropolis with residential area and commercial areas. No? The city will be laid out in a circle like a coin, and the city center will be a plaza that will be hosting to a huge Bitcoin symbol. Yan. Mamaya tweet ko yung result ng scalping ko. Kita nyo, sunod-sunod yung wins. Galing. Natutuwa ako sa scalping strategy na yun. Papangalanan ko yung 2.0, scalping, Feast 2.0. Magaling eh. Kasi hindi ko nire-recommend gumamit nun before. Eh nung I was backtesting, ang galing nito. When I was backtesting it, ang galing, sobra. Naka 1 minute time frame ako, ang galing. Natutuwa ako. Share ko yan sa mga estudyante. Saka sa refresher, I will share that sa refresher course. Share ko yan sa mga beginners. Share natin yun. Anyways, so yun natutuwa tayo dito sa magandang news na to. Another infrastructure bill, Bitcoin City, change of the federal chairman. Medyo maraming in a limbo eh. Tawag ko sa video ko kanina, limbo. If you guys watch my video kanina, we're on a limbo, no? Anyways, sige mag-chart na tayo guys. Let's do some little bit of charting. Simulan ko na to sa Bitcoin muna tapos lilipat ako sa top 11 coin, ha? I will do a top. Kaya nakita mo, meron akong Alma and Emma dito kasi nagsascalp ako kanina. Alam mo na yan. Alam mo na, ha? So, nagsascalp ako kanina. Tanggalin ko na yan ngayon. Pero may inad kasi akong metric, di ko muna tuturo. Okay. Let's now go on charting real quick, no? Let's do this. Of course, ito guys, tingnan mo mabuti ito ha. Napakaganda na nangyari kanina, no? Ako, napakaganda nito. So imaginein mo, no, swing down and swing low, swing high, gumawa siya ng 618. Ito ay nag-bounce on the 618 area. Sana sinunod mo to, no? Tsaka hindi ka nag-aalangan sa system natin, no? I was trading kanina. I will show to you some of my trades. Pero I was more of scalping kanina. Si Ethereum, tinrade ko siya eh. Nag-intraday trade ako ng Ethereum. Again, I'm trading na sa Binance, sa Bingbon guys ha. Okay, magtaka no. Alam niyo yung history niya. So, ang ganda ng pasok ni Bitcoin. Tingnan mo, kung talagang nagtiwala ka sa system natin, Why are you not going to enter here? Alam nyo na yung sagot dyan. You're not going to enter here, guys. Diba? You're not going to enter here. Alam mo yung i-enteran mo dyan, diba? O, nag-MACD confirmation. Bounce. O, diba? Go to the 30 minutes, may volume, pasok. Oh, let's go. Let's do this. Oh. 'Di ba? Ang ganda eh. Ang ganda ng ano, ang ganda ng pinapakita nito ngayon. So, at the end of the day, for me, I was scalping ganyan. Hindi ako nakapagpasok dito in this particular Bitcoin trend, no? But of course, hanap ka muna ng confirmation candle, ba? Confirmation candle dyan, MACD confirmation, before mo siya pasukin. Before mo siya pasukin. Kasi pag hindi ka marunong tumingin, mag-ipit ka sa taas. No? So, for Bitcoin, I was scalping this. I'll show to you mamaya-maya. Show it to you later on. For Ethereum, ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Actually, ito din, almost nag-bounce on 618 area. Here. No? Even on 1 hour, puro 618 guys eh, sa totoo lang. Puro 618 siya. So, may nabuong right hand. Sorry, left hand rather, left hand. Kaya of course bumaba yung coin, no? Sinalo ng 618. Sinalo ng 618. Ito I was hoping I would like to enter here sana dito this one, no. Kaso naka-red pa yung ano eh, naka-lightening of the buying pressure pa siya. No? Mamaya I will tweet sa inyo yung pinasok kong trade dyan sa ano sa Ethereum. So for now, for me here, I think on 1 hour you can enter here. I think you can. Sa 15 minutes, I will set up my trade. Makita ko sa inyo. Maya-maya, sa Twitter natin. Meron ka ditong left hand, bumaba, nag-retrace. Sinalo ng 618 dito. I'm going to change CCI. Ginagamit ko yung CCI for overbought and oversold, no, sa scalping kanina. Ang haba ng topic ko today, guys. Ha? Sana na-appreciate nyo. Ha? Okay. Actually, balik ako sa isa Bitcoin. No? May nakita akong left hand kanina. Sorry, right hand. Sorry. There's a right hand. Nakita mo to? Grabe. Naiinis ako dito. Hindi ko napasok to eh. Alam ng mga moderators to, alam ng leaders to. Sabi ko, hindi ko siya napasok. I was planning to scalp. Tumama siya sa scalping natin kanina. Nag-right hand, boom, biglang bumulusok pataas. Grabe. Kainis. Okay, yeah, maganda sana eh. No? Maganda sana. Anyways. Okay, let's go now on BNB. Wait guys, alam mo, ito tinatanong ako kahapon, ano ba yung magandang pasukan talaga sa sa Bitcoin ngayon kasi nagka-capitulate ang market, no? So, if you guys would have recalled, noong mga nakakaraang araw, i-chart ko lang si Bitcoin, ha? Noong mga nakakaraang araw kasi, napaka-volatile ng ano. Imaginein mo ito. Imaginein mo, in one day, look at the one-day chart, ha? In one day, nakita mo tong candles na to, guys. Nakakapraning tong Bitcoin, no? Actually, on a daily candle, nag-lighten up na siya eh. On a daily candle, no? Imaginein mo to, itong Bitcoin na to, kung ito ay makapag-retrace, maabot ng almost 8%. Ang laki ng retracement niya. No? Maabot ng 8. Parang regular niya nang mag-retrace ng 8%. No? So talagang pag galing ka sa stock market, kapag nagka 5% ka lang, lusaw na yung posisyon mo. Eh sabi ko lagi, ibukan nyo eh, di ba? Ibukan nyo. So, on a daily time frame, it's lightening, no? It's showing some signs of bullishness. Pero the overall temperament pa rin ng market na to is bearish for me. No, kumaga bearish meaning it's still on a downward slope. Ba't ko nasabi? Actually, kasi ang gusto ko mangyari sana dito, no, for us to be very, very bullish on Bitcoin, kahit na naka 1-day buy signal naka 1-hour buy signal na tayo. Ang gusto ko sana mangyari dito is it creates a breakout. It creates a breakout play kasi nagdo-doji. Ayoko ng doji. Nakakainis tong doji na to. It creates a breakout play sana. Kasi meron ng apex of consolidation yan eh. Nasaan ka mo? Hanapin natin. Gawa ka lang dito ng 618 area mo. Saan siya nagko-consolidate? Sa 382 dito. Meron ng apex guys eh. Ito I was really, really hoping humataw na to pataas para dumire-dire-diretso na. This one, malapit na to. Ilang araw na lang. This November, basta before matapos ang November, lilipad to. Kailangan lang niyang bumasag, guys. This needs to break out. No? Itong inaantay ko, kasi nagla-lighten na to eh. Nagla-lighten na yung selling pressure. Saka, at least within this day, meron ng potential hammer dito. Sana itaas niya na. No? Kasi galing sa 56, umangat na ng 58. Sana itaas niya na. No, ang tagal. Nakatagalan ako. Tsaka RSI, parang tatalbog sa 50 tong RSI na to. We'll jump here. So yun sana, ayun ang antayin natin guys. Mag-position trade na lang tayo. Let's do a position trade. Break, ilang araw na lang yan, sukatin natin. Date range. From here to here. Almost 1 week na lang, 7 days. Before end of the month, lilipad yan. Exactly, meron na nga Mickey Mouse. Meron talaga Mickey Mouse. Pero baka naman saluhin niya. Tingnan natin. Magbago. Tandaan nyo, Thanksgiving ng Friday. This coming Friday, Thanksgiving. Normally sa States, pag Black Friday, Thursday ang Thanksgiving. Friday, shopping day yan sa States. Dami naka-leave niyan. Alam nila Judex yan. No? Baka sana mamili sila ng marami sa Friday. Tingnan natin yung performance last year. Anong itsura ng November. Tingnan natin. November 27 last year. Ito. November 27 last year. Green last year eh. Here, itong dalawang candle na to yung last year. Tapos, previous, November 2018, bullish din. Ang Black Friday. November, yan. Itong dalawang candle na to, bullish din. Ang November 2019, ito naman, red naman to. So, negative naman yung dito. Negative yung kanyang temperament. Pa-lighten up na rin to. Yung kanyang selling pressure. No? So, we'll see. 2 years versus 1 year. No? We'll see. Magkamukha ba siya? Tingnan natin. Okay. Pwedeng umangat. Well, I don't wanna compare it na ganito yung performance kasi nasa ilalim to, no? Hindi naman to galing sa taas. Na natin, we'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Okay guys, yun ang aking pagtingin dyan. No? Let's move on. Let's move on to the other coins. SLP tayo. Okay, let's go to hours before hours. Okay. Alam niyo na itong SLP, no? Na-chart na natin ito. Yan, alam mo na yan. Gawa ka ng 618 in between the 618 and 1.618. So, alam mo na yan. Mag-show ng correction yan sa point dito. Sa area na to. Mag-show correction here. Let's go to SHIB. Okay, if we're going to use the 618 model, okay, let's not use that. Tan, 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 nan, nan, nan. Okay. Alam mo, SHIB is on a downward trend, ha? Nakikita nyo naman, di ba? So, alam nyo na ibig sabihin nito. Lighten up your load, no? Sinubukan niya pa mag-bounce on 618, pero downward eh. So, maghahanap ako dito ng trend line dito sa part na to. Yan. Kasi marami nagre-resist to. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung hahanapin natin dyan. Ito yung triangle na hahanapin natin. Okay? And MACD is on a side, ilalim, no, bearish. So, kailangan niya mag-breakout on this area. No? And MACD, alam niyo na yan. Next na tayo. VET. Okay. Huwag niyo muna pasukin si VET. It's still on a downward trend. Yeah, huwag muna pasukin si VET, guys. Hold muna kayo dyan. Let's go for let's go for sand. Okay, retracing as usual, as I've said, no, retracing siya. Okay. So, nag-retrace on 2.618, nag-bounce on 1.618. Gawa tayo ng trend resistance breakout here. Okay. So, alam mo na yung aantayin mo dyan. Okay. Tingin ko pag bulusok niyan pataas, bubulusok na rin si MACD pataas din. So, antayin mo na lang yan. Mana. Mana, mana, mana. Going up, going up. Okay, there was a correction at 618 nung una. There was a correction, pero sinubukan niyang basagin, umangat. RSI is very interesting. Nagno-normalize siya, nag-a-align. Okay. Okay, sundin natin tong support line na to as our potential support. Tapos, kunin natin yung 618 area. Here. Tapos, tanggalin ko tong Fibonacci na to. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng fib lines. Okay, 0.5. Alright. So, pag ganito, gagawa na ako ng extension. Gagawa tayo ng extension. Okay. Okay, kinuha ko na yung in-between. Yan. Yan ang performance natin ngayon. So, ito ay nagbabounce on 618. Nagko-correct doon sa micro Fibonacci here. So, ang kailangan natin is itong area na to mabasag niya. Okay? Okay, alam niyan. Let's go for Gala. Oy, last na to. Anong oras na, guys, ha? Oras na ba? Parang alas 11 na yata. No? Alas 12 na, guys. Pahinga na ako. Let's now go to Gala. Last na siguro to. Okay. Uy, hindi pa pa-breakout na ba ito? 1 hour. Wait lang, I will do another wave of ano here. Teka lang Wait lang, wait. Okay, for Gala, good. So nag-confirm na siya. Actually, good na to. Ang hindi ko maintindihan, bakit yung RSI nakatutok pababa? Problema mo. Nag-doji kasi. Wait lang Let me change the time frame. Makapasok ka na ba dito? Okay. So, pag ganito, nag-correct sa 1.618. Okay, so alam ko na nangyayari dito. So, ganito nangyayari dyan. Kunin ko to. Correct. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin, it's forming a double top. Technically, double bottom rather. Double bottom. Pero, pwede rin kasing maging head and shoulders, no? Pwedeng bumaba No, gusto ko yung double bottom approach here. Pero mukhang teka lang. So wala nangyayari. Uh, okay, so there's no action in MACD sideways 1 hour. Okay, so kung wala ka pang posisyon, ito na lang antayin mo guys. Pag wala ka pang posisyon, kung meron ka na posisyon, okay, good. Okay na. Pero kung wala ka pang posisyon, okay na ako dito. You can enter already. Pero ang worry ko itong RSI nakatutok pababa eh. So mukhang ito ay magre-retest pa ng RSI 50. At nagdo-doji yung one. Well, I am extended move. No? Take your risk, sige. You guys can take your risk here. Kasi iniisip ko, RSI is pointing down. Pwede pa itong bumaba eh. Magre-retest to on support here eh. Pwede pa yan. Pero MACD is going up eh. Let me check the higher time frame. Wait lang guys. Bullish. Ang ganda. Nag-retrace lang talaga siya. Pwede pa itong tumaas. Kaso RSI, okay. RSI parabolic. Meron ng left hand on. Teka lang guys, ina-analyze ko ito maigi, no? Pwede. Pwede na. Pwede. Yeah. Okay, trade at your own risk, guys. Hoy, may raffle pala ngayon. Tama, may raffle pala ngayon kung naalala. Sige, mag-raffle tayo, guys. Sige, mag-raffle tayo. Wait lang, Mas 12 na pala. Wait lang, wait lang. Wag na ako mag-raffle. Bibigyan ko na lang ng premyo yung pinakaunang 6 na nag-comment. Yun na lang yung raffle natin. Yung pinaka-6 na nag-comment, siya na lang yung mananalo ng 500 pesos bawat isa. So, 3,000 yun. Yung oras niya eh. Sino ba yung pinakaunang 6 na nag-comment? Tingnan nga natin. Nauna ka ba mag-comment? Nauna ka ba mag-comment, guys? Tingnan nga. Sige, tingnan natin. Sabi ni Christopher, di daw pwede yun. Nag- O, ito na, raffle ko na. Sige na. Ito na. Twitter raffle. Oh, wait lang guys, wait lang. Ito na, ito na. Yung mananalo. Huwag na magtampo. Yung video yun kahapon, di ba? Yung video kahapon. So, ito na, ito na. Alright, sino kaya mananalo? Type number 1, mananalo ka kaya? Tingnan natin kung mananalo ka. Oo, baka manalo yung mga bot kasi pinanalo natin yung mga bot eh. Okay natin. Nagre-read na. Wala si Elite University, gising pa. Ilang comments kaya ito? Tagal lang. 146 comments. Okay, the first, bibilisan ko na yung first winner. April Joy Baucas, first winner. Next. EMCVS, congratulations. Kailangan nasa live ka, ah. Guys, kailangan nasa live ka. Next. Pag wala ka, disqualified ka. CJ Zelda, congratulations. Pang-apat. Prince AJ Aquino. Oy, moderator to ah. Congratulations. Pang-lima. Alvi Abelia. Very good. Pang-anim. Uy, another one. Nanalo na to eh. Another one. Kim Rel D. Guaso. Parang lagi nananalo itong batang to. Congratulations sa mga nanalo. Anim. Anim na yan. Please make sure you contact Ira for the 500 peso prize. We will credit it to you to your Bingbon account. $10 yan ha. Pang trade mo yan. $10 yan. Okay? So yun na. Congratulations to all of you. Ito yung in-announce ko kahapon ha. So congratulations to all of you. Basta comment ka lang ng comment sa mga sa mga live natin para doon sa recording, hindi sa actual live chat mo. Nanalo ka, malay mo, mamigay ulit ako ng premyo. 'Di ba? Sumalay mo lang naman. So tuloy lang sa pag-support sa ating channel at pag-like at pag-like. Oy, sana tong mga nanalo, subscriber kayo kasi requirement 'yun. Ha? O, sige na. You have learned a lot today. No? Ang dami. No? We spoke about staking, wallet management, a little bit of charting kasi nag-chart na tayo kaninang hapon at kung ano-ano pa. No? So, thank you so much for your support and sana tuloy-tuloy pa yung support mo sa ating channel. No? Guys, I love you 3,000 at iiwanan kita ng aking reminder video before tayo magtapos ngayong araw na to. Okay? So I'll play this to you at God bless you. I love you 3,000. Ira Pingol. Ira Pingol ang kanyang Twitter or dito sa YouTube or email nyo siya. ira.pingol@globalmirandaminer.com. Okay? Thank you guys. Overtrading, common sickness of a trader. A controlled loss is also a win. As traders, we try to get what's within reach, but we don't look at the bigger farm. We look at the garden. We look at the plot. Read the rule book, zoom out, and don't be myopic. You need to always look at the bigger picture. Look at the jungle, not the tree. Look at the forest, not the tree. Look at the entire farm for you to be able to get the right strawberry in the enough amount of time. The same time that the farmer is able to get the strawberry, you need to zoom out of your charts to see the patterns. Don't trade the candle, trade the pattern. Because you saw 10 red candles, that's why you're gonna be giving up your profit. Ako, wag ganun guys. That is the secret sauce of an over trader. Sometimes candles can be a good technical analysis indicator. But most often than not, as traders, just because we're able to see 3 red candles in our trading lives, we let go of our capital. And even in our daily lives, sometimes we get challenges and we easily give up just because we don't zoom out of our futures. We don't look into the life on the big picture. We tend to overcomplicate things because we believe that that defines you as a person. You need to count your blessings. You need to look beyond what is today. You need to count how many blessings do you have today. You need to zoom out in your life as well. Because when you know how to zoom out in your life, eventually you'll be able to know how to plan properly. You look at the previous, the present, and the futures. Sometimes we as traders, we are very much focused on the present. It's the same thing for trading. You need to look at the past. So you need to know the support common areas, yung common bounce areas. The future of the coin has a lot of potential. It can bounce on a common bounce point. So you don't settle for the present. The present can give you 3 red candles, but the present doesn't define you. The present should be your current area where you will determine, okay, nag-bounce ba to sa past? Meron ba siyang bounce point? Should I wait for the bounce or should I just let go of my $300 capital? You need to remember when I say you zoom out, you look at the past, you look at the present, you look at the future. You look at the present, you invest on learning. You look at the present, pag-aral ka mabuti. You look at the present, you do virtual trades, you do paper trades, you do back testing. Walang mawawala sa'yo, huwag ka magmadali. Don't overtrade. You would not lose anything. A few months of learning how to trade can mean a lifetime of freedom. We tend to look at the candles, not the patterns. So for us not to overtrade, look at the past, look at the present, and look at the future.